Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing amazing. This is another video where I'm going to be analyzing the Bitcoin chart for you guys and tell you what's going on. And I'll also show you guys my trade that I just opened up not too long ago today. So I'm going to show you guys all that so you guys can know what's happening, and if you want to take this trade as well, then you can go ahead and do it. Alright, so we'll start out by looking at the 4-hour time frame. I can see here Bitcoin actually broke out of this resistance line here. So you see this red line here, Bitcoin actually broke below that red line, and since then it's been trying to break above it, but it hasn't been able to do that up until today. It finally broke out here, this 4-hourly candle. You can see here it closed above this red resistance line here. So since I saw that, I decided to go ahead and place a long position because this could potentially bring us to the next resistance, which is around 44,000. Okay, so this big purple box here that I've drawn is actually a major resistance that Bitcoin needs to break in order for us to get back to the uptrend, both on the 4-hour time frame as well as the daily time frame. So right now on the 4-hour time frame, Bitcoin has been in a downtrend, okay, for the past weeks now. Bitcoin has been in a downtrend. We need to break this resistance line above 46,000 in order for us to resume the uptrend on the 4-hour time frame as well as on the daily time frame. I'm going to go to the daily time frame so that we can look at the bigger picture to see what's happening. So this is the daily time frame here, and I can see that we've had 2 daily close candles so far, which is showing us that a lot of the bulls do not want the price to go below this 40,000. Okay, 40,000 seems to be the bottom here from what I can see, but hey, you never know with this market. It's always unpredictable. They can be that one flash crash that brings it all the way to like 38,000, and then eventually it closes above that. So yeah, you never know with that, but right now the way I'm seeing it is that we are retracing back, and we're probably going to go retest this 44,000 resistance, and if we break through that, then we can see ourselves going to 46,000, and then we'll be back in an uptrend. That's what I'm hoping. So I'll show you my trade that I took on Bybit. Here it is. I opened a trade on Bybit here. Not a lot of money that I'm using here. This is again just for practice so that I can show you guys how it is that I trade. So I opened this trade here with $17 USD, and I'm using 10x leverage. When I open the trade, I use market. Okay, market means that my trade is going to go in right away. Compared to limit, it's only going to open once the price that I want to enter has been reached. Okay, so that's what it is. I opened a long position because I am betting that the price is going up, and I'm setting my profit to be at 43,000. So I entered this trade when the price was at 42,460, and I'm planning to take my profit when the price hit 43,500. That's where I want to take my profit, and this is because I can see here we have a small major resistance here at 43,400, 43,500. So this is a small major resistance, and I just want to take my profit there, and then I'll probably re-enter again once the price reverses a little. So that's what's happening here. My liquidation price is at 38,427, which is far away. And yeah, so I will keep you guys updated on this trade so that you can see what happened. Right now I'm up 26 cents already, as you can see right here. And yeah, that's how it is. I'll keep you guys updated on this trade if I won or if I lost. So make sure you stay tuned for the next update on this trade. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.